see what happens. Sup? Hello? Peace to the Middle East. Big thank you to everybody watching the videos, supporting all my ideas, really liking like the builds so far. I'm trying to make progress as much as I can. It's just taking me longer because I do everything myself. I do all my editing, all my building, I do all my designs, all my fabrication myself. Like, I don't have a helper here. There's mosquitoes flying around and there's nothing I can do about that.
Huge grotesque wings.
It just takes me a little bit of time, so I'm gonna put out videos as often as I can and try to get like the best quality, the best visuals I can get. I will have updates pretty frequently on the channel now, just to catch everybody up, you know, keep the momentum going a little bit. Again, I just want to thank everybody for actually monetizing the channel, like getting me to where I am now. So like big thank you to everybody that likes, shares, comments, just the whole freaking thing.
You really love me.
I'm excited because this means that I can, you know, start posting videos and I can hopefully gain more traction from everything. Realistically, what I want to do with the channel, honestly, just build stuff. I'm a CAD designer and I'm a 3D designer, so I do like 3D animations, 3D rendering, modeling. What I feel like I want to do for the rest of my time here is I want to do render to reality. I've always loved that concept, and I've had a few of my own renders turn into real life builds basically. So I want to just grab a bunch of partners and I want to take all my ideas, show them to the world, go outside and just build stuff. BMW Bel Air, I'm gonna do a V1 where I pretty much get it on the road, the ride height, get all the sheet metal, get everything situated. I just want to show everybody that I can do it and that any of you can do it in your backyard with simple, just basic tools essentially. Just kind of an update video to, you know, let you guys know that the channel is now monetized. So thank you again. I've been working on the cars. still going to SEMA. I'm still going to see everybody there. I'm going to meet up with all my partners and sponsors. Going to hopefully, you know, get into contact with some new people, some new companies. I'm really going to just push the Model T to go to SEMA next year, so 2024. I'm going to be taking that car, and I'm going to be taking the BMW Bel Air. Pretty much what I'm going to do, or at least what my plan is to build out the chassis and everything for the BMW Bel Air, strengthen it up and do all that, figure out all the nuances and all the technical things that are going to probably happen once I actually put that thing on the road. And if everything's all sorted out and everything's good, maybe put a little bit more boost into it, a little bit more timing, you know, tuning, everything like that. What I want to do is I want to build a hitch system for it, right? So my idea is I want to take the BMW Bel Air and the 27 Model T as a pair. So 27 Model T, because it's a smaller, lighter car, it's going to have a lot more carbon work and everything like that. Plenty of time and get all that done, get everything all welded up, load this thing on a trailer and haul ass to SEMA 2024, you know, a couple days before or whatever. Unload everything. With that being said, that's kind of the plan, SEMA 2024. I'm very, very excited for that. I'm pushing for that, so, you know, let's see what happens. Pretty much doing little things here and there. It's nothing too serious on the cars. I wish I could make like humongous progress for you guys, but you know, this stuff takes time. I'm going to hopefully have another video soon. Basically, once I finalize the rocker panel on the one side, everything, and I know it's good, just do the other side, which is cutting the rocker sheet metal out, closing things off, you know, kind of boxing things that need to get closed now that I cut them up. I can pretty much get all this stuff done. I can get everything kind of like together. Just letting you guys know that I am in like a SEMA mode, so I'm like SEMA crunching, not really SEMA crunching. I don't know, I can't really explain it, but it's like save money for Vegas because Vegas is expensive. I'm gonna stay there the entire week. Plan to meet up with Kyle Kuhnhausen, so that guy's just a huge, humongous like inspiration to me. Matt should be there with Sideways Fab. Obviously I'm going with them to SEMA. Jim also wants to meet up at Sen Cut Sen, so we're gonna do kind of like a big thing, hopefully. Maybe do like some videos here and there, some content. Hopefully get people psyched about some. I'm gonna try to get a lot of coverage myself and get some YouTube videos out there for you guys so you can see like my perspective of SEMA, I guess, if it's interesting. And then my favorite builds, middle of November, and then, you know, December and everything. We should get back on track. There's a lot of stuff coming. Just hold on to your horses. We got stuff coming. That is pretty much it. It's just gonna be SEMA mode for me and a little bit of progress here and there. It's just always this weird state where I'm waiting for things. So I kind of do like really small things to the cars to just kind of make progress, or things that I know I'm gonna do in the future, so I might as well just get them over with anyways. I got some more stuff to do, so let's go do some more stuff, and I'll film it for you guys, and you know, hopefully have a video. But peace, love, and chicken grease. Ah!